So we are continuing our journey through some of the nicer hotels in Indianapolis. This is the JW Marriott, which is located in downtown. This is a really nice hotel, and as you come in, you can see that this is a 2-queen room with a nice little workspace, nice television. You have a little seating area over here. The views out of these hotels are, kind of maybe what you would expect, maybe not, but nothing really to get excited over. You do have the White River, which is right there, which is kind of nice. But for the most part, not really a whole lot to look at. Coming back into the room, you do see a refrigerator, which is a nice touch. You also have a large bathroom with a really nice shower and a wardrobe with ironing board and a robe. So very nice room. This is the JW Marriott in downtown Indianapolis.